Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Get this up on Twitter. Live. YouTube. By QQQ, AMD, Amazon. Hold on one second. All right, tweet, view. Come on, send. Awesome. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Cool. How did everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. I try to get this allergy medicine out of the little packet. What's up? Good morning. There we go. Perfect. Everybody should have made money yesterday if you traded with me and Grizzly. Everybody. So I want to review the two trades that we took. Got my allergy medicine. We are all good. But the two trades from yesterday. One was on SPY. One was on QQQ. We caught calls. We caught puts. So if we're looking at SPY and we just delete all this and we go back to this chart. There we go. As you can see, market opened up. We pushed up to this high point right here at 415.33. And then price pulled back. What do we have over here? A well-defined pivot low. What do we have right here? A well-defined pivot high. What does that mean? Fibonacci retracement. Pivot low, pivot high. And then we watched 412.6 to 412 for a bounce. That's why I kept saying I'm interested in a 412.6 bounce. Said it multiple times in live voice yesterday. So now, if we break it down to a 1 minute time frame, notice what happened. Very large sell-off down into the bounce area. We ended up getting long on this trade with the stop loss right around like 412.4 is where we would have stopped out on this trade. And then a beautiful push all the way into a high of 413.77. So a $1.10 move in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Now, I personally didn't end up doing the puts right here, but you could have taken the high to the low, reject of the 50 on heavy volume. What does that mean? You get short. And then it went down, hit low a day again. Now, the second trade that I ended up taking, this was the first trade, so SPY calls. That was absolutely beautiful. Second trade I ended up taking was on QQQ. Now, if we're looking at QQQ, I ended up taking this pivot high down to this pivot low right here. Hold on, let me go to my trade history and double check what time I got into this, because I got a starter position a little early, right at VWAP, but then when we hit that 50%, that's when I added to it. So let me double check that this is the right 50% fib. Yep, 10:05. So 10:05 right here. As you can see, right up into that 50% retracement, taking the pivot high, pivot low, 50% retracement, reject. It started rejecting pretty hard, so we got short, and this thing went all the way back down into low a day. Absolutely beautiful trade. As soon as we entered this thing, it literally immediately melted 50 cents to the downside. So that was absolutely beautiful. So 2 winning trades yesterday. Very, very happy camper yesterday. Felt just shy of that $1,000 goal. Yesterday, what did I hit? I think it was like 971 or something like that. Roughly. I forget how much it was. But yeah, like 971 yesterday off those two trades. Hour and a half workday. I'll take it. Actually, not even an hour and a half. Actually, I was pretty much done. Let's see. Boom, boom. Pretty much done by actually like 45 minutes. Actually. It's a beautiful day yesterday. But if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 172 people in here and only 33 likes. So make sure you guys are running up that like button. What is this? I don't want to redo that. Cool. Remember, 200 likes is that goal. So start off by looking at ES. I did notice yesterday that there is like a bear flag forming right here. So definitely something that we do want to keep on our radar. Possible bear flag right there. And then let me check the economic calendar today, see what we got going on. You guys take some of those trades yesterday? SPY calls, QQQ puts. Let me know in the chat if you guys took them. Oh, we got a lot today. We got PCE, durable goods, personal income, personal spending, trade balance, retail inventories, wholesale inventories, all that at 8:30, and then consumer sentiment at 10. So, yeah, I like that bear flag. We can watch that. If we start breaking below it, let me see where SPY is at, because again, 410 to 410.2 is a huge area. Oh, we're not even near it. We're $5 away. So here is our flag right there. Also, hopefully you guys saw yesterday's video. I got something very special coming for you guys who are trading with small accounts. Hopefully you guys saw it. It is not a small account challenge. I repeat, it is not a small account challenge. I don't do those. But pretty much what I'll be doing is I'll be trading live, recorded on a small trading account, and then uploading it so you guys can see exactly the best way to grow a small account. Now I'm risking profits just for you guys so you guys can start seeing how you can grow your small accounts. So keep that in mind. You guys definitely gotta show some love in those videos. But I think it's gonna be fun. Put like 3,000 into the account. See what we can do with it. There we go. All right, so SPY, and then we pretty much rejected off of what I was watching yesterday for my reject zone. We got very close to it, that 416.37, so close. So I mean, it's still in play technically. So I think we're gonna watch that today, 416.37 up to 416.67, and then after that we have this 417.35 area. Previous support, turn resistance. Right there. Multiple hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we got some bodies over here. Now, if we get above there, we're probably going to test 420. 420 to 420.8. Boom. 420. Right there. And then, let's see, we got our 410 to 410.2 zone, or 410.3. I'm just gonna trade how you should properly be trading on a small account. I'm not gonna be full porting on it, because that's not how you grow a small account. So probably max 20% of the account is what I'll use at all times. Unless there's a really good setup, then I might go a little heavier, but for the most part, around 10-20% is going to be the max. Let's get this right there, 410 to 410.3. 410. 410.3. And then, let's see, teal. Make it 69 for the day. 69 on a Friday. Yeah, you could see this as an inverse cup and handle, honestly. Little rounding tops, like a little pullback, break below the trend line, look for the puts down into 410. And then, depending on if this were to be the high, could take this low, the high point right there, and then watch that for possible bounces. But again, if we break below that, that's a pretty big bear flag / inverse cup and handle. So that one's going to be announced. But that's everything I'm seeing on SPY. We got 13 minutes till our economic news. Zoom out to the 4-hour, get the levels done on ES. So there's that. As far as rejects, we had here to here, here to here. Watching the 61.8 if we're able to get up there. Boom. Boom. And then 4181, 4184. We have 4 hours supply up there. Boom. Boom. There's that. If we really start pumping, that's what I would be watching for a reject. Name this daily. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 255 people in here and only 93 likes. Make sure you guys are running it up. And then also, if you weren't in here yesterday, I do have Team Bull discounts. I had people ask me if they could get a discount for Team Bull. So I do have them. Let me scroll up, get the link real quick. If you're wanting to trade live with me, Grizzly, Jadon, Gino, a bunch of other amazing traders, we do have these discounts. It's only for the first month. But if you want to hop in, here's the link right here. And then if you use discount code RICH, R-I-C-H, all caps, it will give you that first month discount. So again, here's the link. Discount code RICH, R-I-C-H. That's how you can join the Discord. Yes, I start every day with a clean chart. Of course, Jacob, of course. But yeah, every single day, clean chart. So that's everything on the 4 hour. This has been a massive area of support. This 4120, even on Bookmap, was huge for support. So 4120 all the way down to 4115 has been massive. Do that right there. 4114, 4120. Boom, boom. Why? What's going on? Make it 69 again. 69 on a Friday. Yep, I go live every morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Here on this YouTube channel, this one right here. Been going live like every single day for over a year. Slowly but surely, we're getting more and more people, which is good. So make sure you guys continue to tune in. The more the merrier. The funner it is. But that is pretty much it on ES and SPY. No, the small account videos, it's just showing you how I would manage a trade as a small account. It's not like, I'm not going to say that this, like if I were to take QQQ calls right now, I'm not going to say, oh, this is small account specific. It's the same exact way that I trade now. It's just with a smaller account. Plus, it'll be fun. Whatever I make, it's going straight to my Switzerland trip. So, it's going to be my little Swiss account. Might have been a little liquidity sweep right here. Let's head on over to NQ. Where was this at? 14,039. Might have been a resistance. Anyways, here's our previous overnight high. We came up, we swept, stops. Maybe sweep, question mark. Jadon has a whole video showing you how to navigate Team Bull. Alright, so they pushed it above it. Bring it down to a 5-minute. Yeah, it just looks like a basic liquidity sweep. So, or head and shoulders right here. Again, we have news in a few minutes, so that'll decide what we end up doing. But there's a 5-minute head and shoulders right there on NQ. QQQ. Yes, today is the last day for that discount code, yeah. But as far as QQQ, I mean, it's still uptrending. So, I mean, we might just sit here and wait until we get the news. We can find some bounces. And I don't think I had a reject till like 350. So it's got some room to get up there if it really starts to push. All right, let's take a look at some individual stocks while we sit here and wait. Red, red, red. 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, bingo. All right, individuals, let's see what we got rocking today. Start with Apple. I mean, Apple kind of just looks like it's forming that 4 hour head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, maybe we push up to like 174. Shoulder number 2. Here's our neckline down here at 170. Rich, R-I-C-H, all caps. Gotta make sure you use the link that I just sent in the chat. Hold on. This link right here. You gotta make sure that you use this one, and then R-I-C-H is the discount. AMD. Oh my god, this thing is still going. That's crazy. Crazy. 123.4. I don't even think I have a reject on this thing. Yeah, the only one was 122.50 and we broke it. And then after that, actually we have one more, 132. Yeah, nothing on AMD today. Amazon. How many likes we currently at, ladies and gentlemen? 279 people in here. 134 likes. You guys are getting close. Remember, that 200 like is the goal, and you guys get the watch list. You guys are close. Amazon, or yeah, this is Amazon. Kind of just got like this little symmetrical triangle going on, but for the time being, not interested. Boeing, not interested. Baba, don't care about. Coin, don't care about. Costco, I didn't even look at the earnings. Stayed flat, so literally screwed both sides. Yeah, nothing on Costco, not interested there. Google, nice 1 hour squeeze, holding the moving averages. I would be interested. I mean, that's gonna be a bob away. I mean, I don't know. Maybe if we pump off of PCE and everything else. So like Google. We already did SPY. Because I don't use fibs for breaks and break and retests. I only use them for bounces or rejects. Meta still looks really strong. It actually could be sitting here and forming a cup and handle. So here's our little cup right here. Maybe we pull back, bull flag, handle right here. Get the continuation back up into the high up here. At 255.62. Meta's been on a tear. And then Microsoft. Nice little 4 hour bull flag on Microsoft. Could watch that. Netflix. Gonna wait on this flag break, but I do like it. That might come into play next week. A bit real quick, redraw it. There we go, right there. So that could come into play next week. Gonna be on next week's watch list. Can take a look at NVIDIA, but I feel like the premiums are gonna be way too juiced. Let me see what they're trading at right now, or what they were trading at the close. Back to normal. Okay. Cool. I like it about this high. 383.45. Take it up to 385. Yeah. Good old Kathy Woods. That's her name, right? Yeah, Kathy Woods. PayPal, don't care about. Shopify, still watching this, but nothing yet. And then Tesla. Which actually doesn't look too bad either. Over this high at 186. Cool. So I think out of everything we just went through, NVIDIA and Tesla are my favorites. So there's 5 stocks that I like in general, but I think we might just narrow it down to Tesla and NVIDIA. But we'll see with the PCE. We got that dropping here in 2 minutes. So again, if you guys could, make sure to smash that like button as well as clicking that subscribe button. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you guys do tune in every single morning. You guys get to watch me draw these levels. That way it helps you in your own analysis. Plus, you can ask me any questions. So when you use first, do you use the 1 hour or 30-minute? I always just start breaking it down, higher time frames to lower. And it just depends on where the level is visual. Let's see what SPY does. We got thinking, we got pump today, we gonna dump, we gonna trade sideways. I don't even know if the market closes early. All I know is that it closes at 11 a.m. for me. And then I'm walking away for the long weekend. Walking away for the long weekend. But we got 20 seconds until we get the news. In seconds. What we got? 2, 1, 0, boom. I'm going to wait for all this news to drop, and then I'm going to drag Twitter over so you guys can see it. All right, news is starting to roll in. Got the personal income. Waiting to see the PCE. Come on. Looks like it's not liking it so far. All right, there's the PCE. I think that's all the news. Give it one more refresh. I think we're good. Okay. There it is. All right, so PCE price index year over year 4.4%, forecast 4.3, previous 4.2, so right over the forecast, 0.2 over the previous, so higher. Month over month, 0.4%, forecast 0.3%, previous 0.1%, again higher. Let's see, core PCE index year over year 4.7, a bunch of zeros and then 4%. We're just gonna say 4.7. Forecast 4.6, previous 4.6, so right over that. Consumption 0.5, forecast 0.3, previous 0, so higher than that. We just looked at that. Consumer spending 0.8, forecast 0.5, previous 0. Personal income 0.4%, previous 0.3, forecast 0.4, so right on the money there. Durable goods, don't really care about. And then, I mean, if I had to guess why the market would be pulling, it would be because of this. The advanced goods trade balance, negative 96.8 billion, forecast negative 0.85, so huge miss. Wholesale inventory is 0.2, forecast 0, previous 0. Okay. Cool, cool. We're getting close to the light goal. I'll be hiking the light goal on you guys here in a minute. But okay, let's give the market a couple minutes, digest this information, then we can start finalizing some levels and seeing what we're liking. But yeah, it does look like a little liquidity sweep went on right here. So I want to see if they can buy it up. Haven't had my caffeine yet this morning. Let's go through the stocks though, the individuals. See what we're liking. Google. I mean, yeah, it could break today, but what is that? 124 breakout is at 125. How much does Google move on a day-to-day basis? On average, Google moves. Why is it not pulling up? Around $3.15. So there'd be like $2 more of range. So yeah, I'd be interested if it broke. Just set an alert. So you can watch Google if you want for that trend line break. Meta, maybe. I still think NVIDIA and Tesla are going to be the go-tos today. Microsoft, we can look for a bounce. That doesn't look bad. NVIDIA, however, if NVIDIA can crack 383.50, your boy is very interested. Good one. No trend line. No fibs. Looks like it would just be a basic breakout. That's about it. We're literally trading in no man's land up here. Could look for a bounce somewhere as well. Bounce at 61.8 in the overnight session. Yeah, 383.50. That's my area. That is what I am going to watch. All right, so we're going to keep that. We're going to wait until we put that one out, just in case the market starts pulling. And then Tesla. But again, I do like that 383.50. Tesla, same thing. Want to see the market ideally get some strength and then push it above 186. That's what I'd be interested in. As far as the downside, not too interested on Tesla. Alrighty. Get these SPY levels. Guess we can watch that 70.7 as well, which would be up here. Come on, cancel. There we go. Which actually lines up perfectly at that area. Alrighty, let's get SPY rolling. Let's get it going. Yeah, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. I know you guys are getting close. 191. You guys need at least 9 more. I'll take 250 though. If you guys want to give your boy 250, I'll take it. 250 on a Friday. SPY. Looking like, yeah, I always go over the futures. Futures are very important. Looking like a potential 4-hour bear flag set up. If price breaks below, I am looking for puts. Bounce at 410 to 410.3. Rejects at 416.37 to 416.67. Then 417.3 to 417.65. So I'm the last person you should ask anything about computers. I'm not too smart when it comes to them. There's SPY. QQQ. We didn't really do any analysis on QQQ, so let's get that done. Alrighty, so if I am looking for a reject on QQQ, hit low 350, we're at 340, so that's a $10 move. Then we ain't got nothing there. So no good rejects. Bring it down to a 4-hour. Go pivot low, pivot high. That'd be a really deep pullback. Yesterday's low to these highs. We can watch right here. 339, 338.50. Yes. Not yes, NQ. So yeah, a little liquidity sweep right up there. Looks like we're forming 1-hour supply as well. Let's go back to a 4-hour. These are all the deep pullbacks that are now no longer in play. Delete, delete, delete. Keep the 50 right there. So that's if we really start pulling back right there. And then if we go to a 1-hour. There to there. And we also have there to there. Also there to there. Jesus, too many fibs. Let's break it down to a smaller time frame. This one got broke, so that one can go. These two are technically still valid. Come on. Yeah, technically still valid. Nice 1-hour squeeze. That one we broke. Okay. 30-minute. Cool. We'll see with that one here in a few minutes. I like SPY more today, though. Cleaner analysis on SPY. But mainly, I'm mainly going to be interested in these bounces down here at 339, 338.50. As far as the upside for resistance and rejects. This area right there. $342. We're above that. Right there. Yeah, I mean, I'm not seeing much. $345. Psychological resistance. Cool. Boom. All right, well, that is what I'm watching today. If this was surely a liquidity sweep, we'll probably come down and test these lows over here. All righty. Just gonna go ahead and delete these. All right. I want to see how this 1 hour candle closes though, because this could become supply. Give everybody QQQ. Hey, if you guys are leaving the live stream, you're gonna miss out on this this watch list. If you leave, I'm sorry. You will be missed. The watch list will be missed as well. QQQ balances 339 and 338.50. Higher probability. Not really seeing any good rejects today besides potential supply forming in the pre-market. Okay, there's QQQ, NVDA. Still want to watch this. I'm very interested. If it can get strength and it can break 383.50, I'm interested. Same thing with Tesla. As far as bounces on NVIDIA, however, I literally have nothing until I guess at 375. But it'd definitely be a little higher risk of a potential bounce. So NVIDIA, interested if the market were to get some strength and price broke above 383.50 for calls, potential bounce 375.5, higher risk. And I think I might just keep Tesla on the side. Let's look at SPX. First look at ES. Let's see where we're opening compared to where we closed. All right, so SPX is going to be around the same. I mean, if you're going to trade NQ, you might as well just watch Q, or you might as well watch NQ. Do we have a gap? I mean, we have this one all the way down to here. Yeah, not really seeing anything on SPX. Tesla on the side. I mean, that is pretty much it for the day. Bouncing off that trend line. Best thing we can do is wait for them A+ setups. That's it. Wait for the market to present opportunity. If it doesn't present opportunity, what do? We don't take a trade. We sit cash. All right. I mean, the market closes at 11 for me. Going to enjoy my my long weekend. And we have to do our daily Friday, let's see, hold on. Let's scroll up and find it. There it is. Our daily Friday, I will not lose my weekly profits or blow my account on a Friday. A+ setups only. Wait for the market to present opportunity. No opportunity equal no trades. Awesome. Let's pull up SPY again. Yeah, I mean, the main reject I want to watch is up here if we start pushing up there. The funniest thing is when people say, how dare you assume that I even have profits? I mean, yeah, it just pretty much pulled back and it bounced. Let's go back to that NQ. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Holding that 21 EMA. I mean, it could technically still fire up. I don't know where this line came from. But here's our overnight high. Tesla, possibly Tesla. Depends if the market gets straight. I will like it above 186. But NVIDIA, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, those are the mains. Really liking that NVIDIA setup. Really liking Tesla. Meta looks good too. If you want to watch Meta, feel free. Looks like a little 30-minute cup and handle right here. Cup, handle. Look for the breakout, continuation. But I personally like Tesla and NVIDIA. Especially Tesla over that 186. Cool. Default. We can put we don't have any room for Meta. So that is it. Awesome. So as I am dropping this watch list, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA. And that is it. That is all. So, also, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. So if you guys are looking to learn more about my overall strategy, definitely make sure to check it out using this link right here. Why is this being weird? The heck? Hold on. There it is right here. Boom. That's where you check out the New Age Technical Analysis. And then, yeah. Again, Tesla, I'm just looking for that break over 186 for the continuation. Take a nice little scalp out of it. Of course, Maria. Of course, of course. I mean, I use it more so as like a stop loss. The 78.6. But not as far as rejects and bounces and all that stuff. Looks like we might have made a little retracement here on the futures. But But anybody got questions before I hop off? Again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day, plus over 700 videos. 700. Teaching you guys on how to trade. So let's peep some of these videos real quick. How to grow your small trading accounts, buying QQQ. Right? This was a 15-minute video, literally explaining exactly how to do it. And 1 hour video on Fibonacci. 15-minute video on supply and demand. You know, just tons of education on this channel. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. So I'm not interested in AMD. Let's see what Grizzly Man's watching. 416 for puts. What was that? Yesterday's close. I personally like it a little higher, but I mean, I'll watch it. Oh, he's just watching the pre-market high. And then 413. He's got a little typo. You got a typo. Boom. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. SPY calls, QQQ puts. It's what I traded yesterday. But any other questions? Oh, yeah. So if you want the ES and NQ, I just don't really post them in the Discord as much anymore just because I feel like nobody even cares about them. But here are the exact levels on ES. If you want to screenshot right there, give you a few seconds. And then NQ. If you want to screenshot that as well. I just use the 21 EMA. When I'm day trading, 8 EMA, 21 EMA, VWAP is what I use. But yeah, again, if you guys want to trade live with me, I got that discount code. It expires today. So if you guys want to hop in Team Bull and trade live with us, use this link right here once I find it. There it is. Use this link right here. You get that first month discount. Boom. There's the link. And then here is the discount code. RICH. R-I-C-H. You get your first month discount. But yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. As always, I hope you guys are able to make some money as well. But I will talk to you guys on Tuesday. Remember, markets close on Monday. So talk to you guys on Tuesday. Everybody have an amazing day, an amazing long weekend. And I will talk to you guys then. Peace out.